Hello guys, it's a wide farm. Do you know what farm is this? What are they planting in here? Okay, this is a canola oil plant. So a canola oil plant is look like this. So canola oil. So this is a canola oil plant. So this is the whole farm of a canola oil. There, it's 1,000 hectares of canola oil. This is close to our place. So we live over there, and then this is the farm of the canola oil. So this is a canola oil looks like this. So that's a canola oil. So we're using canola oil all over the world. So for some people, they don't know what's a canola oil plant look like. So this is a canola oil plant. So here you go guys, canola oil. Oh, that's interesting, huh? Because we didn't see a canola oil plant. So for me, it's my first time to see a canola oil plant. So that's canola oil.